Hey, what's up YouTube? This your girl 121085 baby girl. Welcome to my channel. And you guys, I am doing my entry into Vanilla Cream. Yes, I said it, boo boo. Vanilla Cream. She is doing a contest, my loves. Yes, she does a contest every month, and she decided to do one in February. And thank you so much, sis, for giving us a chance to enter into this contest. And what she wanted us to do is come up with a pink and black makeup look, and this is my pink and black makeup look. I have the pink in the inner, and then the black is like a smoky eye look, and then at the top I got pink. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got pics before the video starts so you guys can see it, bright and clear. So, and I also got the little glitter going on that pink as well. Now you guys, if you don't know who she is, Vanilla Cream is her YouTube channel name, and I will post a link to her channel below this video so you guys can go and click that, and also subscribe to her channel and enter her giveaway as well, and support our sisters here on the YT, you guys. So if you don't know who she is, she has an awesome channel, you guys, and she's a sweet person, and she's from Louisiana as well, you guys. She has that accent. I love her accent, but she is so sweet. So you guys go and check her out. Like I said, the link will be below, and go ahead and enter. I hope you like this look. Bye bye, my loves.